Welcome, students. Today's video is on writing equations in slope-intercept form. Before we start, we should review a couple formulas. Our slope formula, remember, was change in y over change in x. So the formula for this was y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Our slope-intercept form is y equals mx plus b, where m is my slope and b is my y-intercept, so where my graph touches the y-axis. Now, to write the equation, there's two things we're going to have to find, and that's the slope and the intercept. First, we're going to start by finding the slope between the 2 points, and you've been doing this for quite some time now. Then, we're going to choose any point on the line, and we're going to solve for b. And I'll show you how to do this in a second. So let's start with the simple case where we already have our slope. Write the equation of the line in slope-intercept form. Now, I always want to remind myself slope-intercept form is y equals mx plus b. Now, looking at this first situation, I know my m is equal to 3. So I have y equals 3x plus b. Now, to figure out what b is going to be equal to, I have this point, and this is an x and a y. Notice my line has an x and a y that I can plug those into. So 6 is equal to 3 times 1 plus b from subbing in my x and y. Now I can solve this. So 6 equals 3 plus b. If I subtract 3 from both sides, I figure out b is equal to 3, and now I know y equals 3x plus 3. Try this next one on your own. Unpause when you're ready to check. Again, y equals mx plus b. In this case, I know that m is going to turn out to be 1/2. So I have y equals 1/2 x plus b. I also know that I have this point, 0, 4. So 4 equals 1/2 times 0 plus b. This will 0 out, which leaves 4 equals b, which means I have my intercept. So my equation is y equals 1/2 x plus 4. Notice I was given my slope and my intercept in this equation. So one way to save yourself some time is if you notice you have the ordered pair 0, comma, your value, you know you have your y-intercept already, and you don't have to solve. Let's make it a little trickier. If I give you 2 ordered pairs, you can find your slope-intercept form. First, we need to find our slope. So to do that, I'll look at my ordered pairs. I'll connect my y's and choose a direction. So 4 minus 0 over 1 minus negative 1. That is 4 over 2, or just 2. So now I know slope is equal to 2. Step 2, y-intercept. Now, I have 2 ordered pairs, and I can choose to use either one, and it won't matter. Since I see that I have one with a 0 in it, that's the one I'm going to choose. So y equals 2x plus b, which means I can sub in my x and y. So 0 equals 2 times negative 1 plus b. Means 0 equals negative 2 plus b. I can add 2 to both sides and figure out b is 2. Now I know y equals 2x plus 2. I want you to pause the video and try this one. Remember, step 1, find your slope. I would start by connecting my x's and y's. I would do 4 minus 1 over 2 minus 1. That would give me 3 over 1, so I have a slope of 3. Now I need to find my y-intercept. Again, it doesn't matter which ordered pair I pick, so I'll just choose 1, 1. So y equals 3x plus b. Choosing the ordered pair 1, 1, I know 1 equals 3 times 1 plus b. So 1 equals 3 plus b. If I subtract 3 from both sides, I now know negative 2 equals b. So my final answer would be y equals 3x minus 2. Again, try this next one on your own. Find your slope, find your intercept, and plug them in. Unpause when you're ready to check. Again, connect your y's and your x's. 2 minus 1 over 4 minus 2 will give me a slope of 1/2. So now I know my m value is 1/2. Now, I need to find b. To do this, I'm just going to plug in that slope of 1/2. So y equals 1/2 x plus b. Then I'll choose an ordered pair. I'll just choose the first one, 4, 2. So 2 equals 1/2 times 4 plus b. So 2 equals 2 plus b. If I subtract 2 from both sides, I know b is equal to 0, which means I have the equation y equals 1/2 x plus 0, or y equals 1/2 x. Those would both be appropriate answers. Thanks for watching.